What we do is free demonstrations, cutting and holding. If you want to take pictures, it's just $5. You like to hold them? Stand right here on the blue X. I'll show you what I do. Are you guys all together?
Oh, yeah. It's her birthday today.
Oh, okay. Would you guys like a picture? It's just $5. You guys want to take pictures?
Oh.
You want a picture?
Nick, yeah.
Watch her freak out.
Good job. You're doing great.
Nice.
Happy birthday.
Take lots of pictures. Take your time. Take them sideways, up close. The birds do not get scared. That's super cool. Bird's eye view.
Bird. You're so pretty.
Let me know when you're ready for
You
pose
guys are
number 2.
photogenic. Yeah.
Sure are. Now watch this. Do you have to go poop, Paco? Yes or no?
Go right.
Nikki, don't be scared.
Oh, get her stuff for her. Here, just do one more hand. And this is pose number 2. Come take a look. It's only $5. Just have debit, credit, or cash. And gift cards now. That's a new one. You got it? Take your time. In essence, it's your birthday. We're going to do a special pose.
Nikki looks scared. Don't be scared.
Take a picture of her face. Make it into a picture frame. You got it?
Yeah.
1, 2. Look at the camera. 1, 2.
Got it?
Oh.
How cute. Here.